she said, "I'll come all the way to the grass." I was like, "Yeah."
You're going to the top, are you? No. You're going to, okay, right, sorry. Okay. Don't go right underneath anybody.
Carol works for, she's our secretary, this is her partner, but they've also, they're like, just done degrees in photography, so that's very handy, isn't it, you know, so.
I can't see what I'm filming with the sun.
Yeah, definitely. We'll try and get as many as we can on our website, but they're really just for, you know, for magazines and stuff. We're not to sell that. Yeah, I'm going to write longer lenses.
No, the
yeah,
official.
so you're okay now, Jill.
I'm fine. You're going to go up. Yeah.
Okay then, thank you.
Yep.
Okay. Cheers.
Yeah.
Go on then.
Slow!
Oh. Acrobatic.
Come on, Erika! Slow back, Erika, to that, slow back!
No, I'm calming it down, Polly.
Slow back, boy! Sit down, slow back! Ti'n neud y dda, slow back, boy! Troi lo, fel iawn, fel iawn! Traed y wal! Cad y draed ar y wal!
Oh, I see, sorry. There's one coming up, we've got a test plan.
Cad y draed ar y wal! Gwydda da iawn ar Erika, Steffan.
Come on, Erika!
Da iawn, Erika, traed ar wal!
Yeah.
Da iawn! Gwydda da iawn, Erika.
Mam!
Well done, Erika! Well done, Erika!
Oh.
Traed ar wal!
Nearly down.
Come on! Well done!
Nearly there.
Well done, Erika!
Nearly there.
Just down, just down, just down! Just down!
Open your eyes. Take your time.
Nice one, Erika!
Yay.
Brilliant! Yay! Way!
Well done. That's making me cry.
I've had 2 heart attacks watching her. She's absolutely terrified.
Yeah. You've got to give her credit for that. Yeah.
Well done, Erika!
Sorry.
Sorry. Da iawn, Erika! Well done, Erika!
Well done.